Most employers believe rising healthcare costs are simply part of doing business. Premiums go up, renewals become more expensive, budgets get tighter, and many organizations assume there is nothing they can do about it. But what if the problem isn't healthcare costs themselves? What if the real problem is how your health plan was designed from the beginning? Today, we're going to explore 4 common health plan design mistakes that quietly increase costs, reduce employee satisfaction, and create long-term inefficiencies. One of the biggest mistakes employers make is offering the exact same health plan structure to every employee. The challenge is simple: employees are different. A young employee may use healthcare services very differently than an employee with a family. When organizations ignore these differences, benefits become less effective and more expensive. A better approach is designing benefits around workforce demographics, healthcare usage patterns, and employee needs. The goal is not more benefits, the goal is smarter benefits. Many companies invest heavily in benefit programs that employees rarely use. At first glance, offering more benefits may sound attractive. But if employees aren't using those benefits, the organization is paying for value that never gets delivered. This creates unnecessary spending without improving employee experience. The strongest benefit plans focus on relevance. The right benefits for the right workforce create better outcomes and stronger return on investment. Healthcare needs evolve over time. Employees change, families grow, workforces shift. Yet many benefit plans remain unchanged for years. A rigid plan may have worked in the past, but today's workforce expects flexibility and personalization. Organizations that adapt their benefit strategies tend to see stronger employee engagement and better long-term performance. Flexibility is no longer optional, it's becoming a competitive advantage. Perhaps the most expensive mistake is waiting until renewal season to evaluate your health plan. By the time renewal arrives, costs have already increased. Most organizations spend years reacting to problems instead of preventing them. Successful employers review plan performance throughout the year. They monitor trends, they identify inefficiencies, and they make strategic adjustments before costs become major issues. The difference between reacting and planning can be significant. The real challenge facing employers isn't simply rising healthcare costs, it's outdated plan design. When a health plan is strategically designed around employee needs, organizational goals, and long-term sustainability, everything changes. Costs become more predictable, employees receive greater value, and employers gain more control over their benefits strategy. Better design leads to better outcomes. Before you go, remember this: the goal isn't just to solve today's problem, it's to make better decisions for the future. If you found value in this video, take a moment to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future insights. And if you're a business owner, HR leader, or decision maker looking to better understand employee benefits, healthcare costs, and smarter business strategies, visit www.coachmoshior.com to learn more. I'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let me know your biggest challenge or your biggest takeaway from today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for investing in your growth, and I'll see you in the next video.